In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free VPN on your iPhone. So first thing we need to do is go and load up the App Store, and then you need to search for OpenVPN and press search. You'll see this application called OpenVPN Connect. Click on the Get button to start downloading this. Once it's finished downloading, click on Open and make sure to allow all of the different notifications. You'll then need to open up an internet browser and then search for VPN Book and press search. You can then click on this top website, which is vpnbook.com. Now click on Free VPN in the top navigation, and then you'll need to scroll down the page until you see Free Open VPN. Click on any of the VPN bundles and then press Download. You can then click on the download icon in the bottom navigation and press Downloads. Now go and click on this file and then click on the VPN zip file in the top navigation, and this will unzip this into a folder. You can then click on the VPN book folder and go and select any of these VPNs. Click on the share button in the bottom right hand side and select Open VPN. You can then click on Add. And now we'll need to enter the username and password. Now to find this, you can open back up your internet browser, and at the very bottom of this page, you'll see a username and password. So we just need to go and type that into our username field. Make sure Save Password is selected, and then go and type in the password as well. Now once again, this can be found on the web browser. Once you've entered the username and the password, click on Connect. When you get the notification, click on Allow, and then you'll need to enter your iPhone password. As you can see, we're now connected to this VPN, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.